In this video, we're going to go over the 5 things I hate about the Moto G Stylus 5G 2022. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully all of you are safe out there. We have the Moto G Stylus 5G 2022 right here. And we're going to go over the 5 things I absolutely hate about this phone. Now, the first thing I hate about this phone is the name in general. As you guys know, we already have a Moto G Stylus 5G. We have a 2021, I believe we even had a 2020 variant. And we have a 2022 variant as well that's not 5G, but honestly, it's just confusing. I feel like Motorola needs to do like 2, 3, 4, and they just need to do how the LG Stylo did, where they just do it by numbers instead of years, because everybody just gets confused. And you know, this is something Motorola needs to stop if anyone is even going to take them seriously after this device right here. Second reason I hate the G Stylus 5G 2022 is that it's overpriced. So this device is $499. Now I understand this device is going to be cheaper at certain prepaid carriers when you guys have your deals and stuff like that, and little specials. For the people that are going to complain in the comment section down below, I'm not talking about anybody who got a deal on this phone. I'm talking about if you bought this phone outright for $499. If you bought it for $499, you got skimped. Honestly, $499 is a terrible price on this phone, and they already know it. Just because they add a stylus inside of this phone and you know it has a mediocre processor doesn't mean you can charge $499 for this type of device. And honestly, I don't even know why I purchased this device for $499. This is probably going to go back to the store, to be quite honest, but $499 is overpriced for the software that we get in this device, for the specifications we get inside this device, and especially the thickness of this device. I mean, it's 2022 and this phone is thicker than a Snicker, bro. It's crazy. But the price on this device is just not right for $499. Honestly, I would have capped this device out at $349. Third reason is that the cameras are actually really bad on this device for the price tag as well. You know, you would think this is a decent camera for, you know, a $300 price tag, maybe even a $350 price tag, but it is super inconsistent. And this is taking into account the price tag. If this device was a little bit lower, I would have gave the camera a pass and it would have been acceptable or good, but this device camera is super inconsistent for the price, and I couldn't recommend it at all. Fourth reason has to be that this only has one major operating system update. Now this does have Android 12, don't get me wrong, it's nice that we have Android 12 straight out of the gate. Great that we have that, but we only have one major operating system update on this device and 3 security patches on this device. Now, even with the Galaxy A53 5G, you know, albeit that doesn't have a stylus, that still does have 4 major operating system updates, and I don't even think that phone is worth it for $449. So for this phone to be $499, that's honestly ridiculous. I don't know if this is a supply chain issue. I don't know if this has to do with inflation and things like that. But for $499, only getting one major operating system update, absolutely terrible. I think this is way too close to flagship pricing. You're just a couple $100 away, and you're getting only one major OS update. So I don't really like that about this phone. Absolutely hate that. And that's why it comes in at number 4. And the 5th reason why I hate this phone is there are so many other devices that you can purchase around this price point. The Pixel 6a is going to be coming out for $449, so for $50 less. We have the Galaxy A53 5G with, you know, obviously I still have beef with that phone, but I think that's a way better deal than the Moto G Stylus 5G. And obviously, you know, devices like the Note 10 Lite, that device just got Android 12 at the beginning of 2022. So we even have an up-to-date Note device with a way more powerful processor than this device right here. So you have many different options to go with that actually do have styluses as well. They are, however, a little bit older, and you may have to purchase the device renewed. So that's one of the reasons why you know, this is still kind of one of the only newer devices out there with a stylus. But you know, even I would go with the Note 10 Lite if I wanted a Stylus device around this price tag. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. You know, let me know if you guys found any other alternatives to the G Stylus 5G. I'm sure it would help a lot of people in the comment section down below. But those are the 5 reasons why I hate the Moto G Stylus 5G. This has been Safon from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.